3, 4.
Hi, I'm Stephanie. I work here at INTEGRA in production, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our facility to show you what it's like to work here. INTEGRA has 2 production sites, one in Switzerland and one here in Hudson, New Hampshire. Here in Hudson, at our location, we focus on injection molding within our clean room facility and manufacturing of mechanical pipettes and accessories. Hi, Ibenia. What are you working on today?
Hi, Steph. I'm working on bringing products down so I can help the packager to put it over in the next cart.
What do you like here at INTEGRA?
I love what I do. That's why I've been here 13 years, because I joined what I do, so I love it.
Well, thank you, Ibenia, for all your years of service here at INTEGRA. We appreciate it. Hi, Yissel. What are you working on?
I'm preparing to go to the clean room.
And what makes INTEGRA special for you?
So special for me is the people we are working in here is the reason I love to come into here every day. So we all working together to meet a common goal.
All right, well, thanks, Yissel. I'll see you later. Hi, Fanny. What are you working on?
Hi, Steph. I'm working on the brakes for the floor.
What are some of the unique aspects that you like working at INTEGRA?
Competitive wages, great benefits such as health insurance, life insurance, 401k. And the company also throws numerous events for the employees and families as well.
Great. Thanks, Fanny.
You're welcome.
And that's it. I hope you got a good overview of our production team. And who knows, maybe we'll be seeing each other soon.